Looking for a compact, budget-friendly projector that delivers a full HD experience? Today, we're checking out the VOPLLS 1080p Mini Projector, an ultra-portable device promising big-screen entertainment anytime, anywhere. Is it worth it? Let's find out. Right out of the box, you get the projector itself, a remote control, power adapter, AV cable, and an HDMI cable. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, perfect for movie nights indoors or outdoors. Now let's talk about the specs. The VOPLLS mini projector supports 1080p full HD resolution, making your movies and videos crisp and clear. It also offers 50% zoom functionality, which means you can adjust the screen size without having to move the projector. Pretty convenient. It's compatible with HDMI, USB, and AV connections, so you can hook it up to your laptop, smartphone, tablet, or even gaming console. No need for extra adapters if you're using HDMI. So how does it actually perform? The colors are vibrant, and the brightness is decent, especially in dimly lit rooms. The built-in speaker is usable, but for a truly cinematic experience, I'd recommend connecting an external speaker via the audio jack. Let's break it down. Here are the pros. Compact and portable, 1080p full HD support, multiple connectivity options, 50% zoom feature. So, is the VOPLLS mini projector worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use projector for casual movie nights or presentations, it's a solid choice. However, if you need something for daytime viewing or professional use, you might want to explore higher-end options. What do you think of this mini projector? Drop a comment below, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.